Ever wondered what the healthiest way to cook your favorite meat is? In our quest for healthier cooking methods, it's essential to consider not just the flavor, but also the nutritional value of our meals. It's all about striking a balance, choosing cooking methods that minimize nutrient loss and avoid creating harmful compounds. From grilling to steaming, from baking to slow cooking, each method has its own merits and considerations. So are you ready to up your kitchen game? Stay tuned as we delve deeper into the world of healthy cooking methods for meat. The secret to healthy cooking lies in the process. So how does one go about it? Our journey begins with the selection of ingredients. High-quality, fresh ingredients are the cornerstone of any nutritious meal. When it comes to meat, opt for organic or grass-fed varieties whenever possible. These options are not only leaner, but also contain higher amounts of beneficial nutrients. Fresh vegetables and herbs, preferably organic, are excellent accompaniments, providing a boost of vitamins and minerals. The next part of the process is the cooking method itself. Slow and steady wins the race, as the saying goes, and this holds true in the kitchen too. Slow cooking at low temperatures is a fantastic way to preserve the nutritional value of your ingredients. It can help to retain more vitamins and minerals in your food, providing your body with the nourishment it needs. Plus, slow cooking at lower temperatures can prevent the formation of harmful compounds that may occur when food is cooked too quickly or at high temperatures. Now, let's talk about fats and oils. It's a common misconception that all fats are bad. The truth is, our bodies need certain fats to function properly. Healthy fats, such as those found in olive oil, avocados, and nuts, can actually support heart health and aid in nutrient absorption. When cooking, choose oils with high smoke points, like avocado or grapeseed oil, to prevent the formation of harmful compounds. Remember, moderation is key. Lastly, avoid overcooking the meat. Overcooked meat not only loses its flavor and texture, but it can also become tougher and lose its nutritional value. A good rule of thumb is to aim for a medium rare to medium doneness for most types of meat. This will ensure that your meal is both delicious and nutritious. With these simple steps, you can transform your favorite meat dish into a healthier meal. So why not give it a try? You might just find that healthy cooking is easier and more enjoyable than you thought. In just a few minutes, we have covered the best ways to cook meat healthily. Let's summarize. It starts with choosing quality ingredients. Opt for organic grass-fed meats when possible. Next, slow cooking at low temperatures helps retain nutrients. Using healthy fats and oils like olive or avocado oil can boost the nutritional value. Finally, avoid overcooking to prevent harmful compounds. Remember, the path to healthy cooking is a journey, not a destination. Happy cooking!